Close. I shot it at the bottom. I shot it, yeah.
How am I?
Huh?
I said, how am I fucking?
Good.
You have been recording, right?
Yeah, let me put my earplug in. Okay.
Right there?
A little closer. Alright. See if you can put one through the top.
Huh. I just finally learned how to do that. I did your frames last week.
Oh yeah?
So I can cut and trim them in.
Okay, if you take a look here, you'll see we've completed step 1. We've carefully removed all pins and screws. Careful not to break any of the necessary components. Why don't you go ahead and crack that open so you can get a look at the inside. Perfect, yeah. See, that's exactly what you want it to look like. Oh yeah, that's great. You can get a close-up of the hard drive there. See that? Yeah. Okay, so this concludes step 1. Yeah, that's exactly how those pieces should look.
Yeah, note. Take careful note.
Take careful note. Yeah,
This,
that's
you see that?
yeah, we've
Note that. You might want to draw a schematic before you start on your own.
yeah, I mean okay, and there we go. 3 of the 40 caliber Xbox repair. Go ahead and take careful note here.
Just got Xbox pieces rain down on me.
Yep. You see how easily it opens up when you do it properly?
Go for blue ice. Let's shoot that first, that Pepsi can.